Welcome back. We've had some wet weather last week. Got about 4 inches of rain on Wednesday and Thursday. It's the weekend. It's actually Sunday in the afternoon. Just made it up here. Yesterday was a beautiful day, but I had to work. So we're up here just trying to do whatever we can to make use of the time that we've got. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to tackle some of that back deck and put the joists in for it. So I've set myself up a little area over here to work in where I'm not pulling the electrical cord through the water. We're going to make as much progress as we can. It's really all you can do when the weather's working against you and you've got delays stacking up. Find out something that you can take care of and take care of it.
You want me to put the this while you're cutting wood?
Nope.
You don't trust me.
Don't think you could do it.
Really? Exactly. You don't trust me. Why? You don't think I could get the nail in?
Correct.
I think I could get the nail in.
When you're doing something like this, there's a certain back and forth that you're going to have with your spouse. Some of it's play, and some of it's serious. Now I know well and good that if I tell her she's not going to be able to drive a nail into a piece of wood, she'll bust that piece of wood apart driving that nail in there if she has to, but it's going in.
All the way to the bottom.
Yep. Right
All right.
there.
Now,
And then,
you're already in the wrong spot.
what?
Well, okay. You measure. You're supposed to measure from the
yeah.
back here, right?
Yeah.
All right. So
So
you
it's
got to
supposed to
have.
be-
There you go.
Okay.
All the way to the bottom.
Okay.
You should probably try with this one here. That way you're not competing with the post.
Okay.
All right. All the way to the bottom.
Okay. I'm all the way.
All right.
I can feel it.
This should be lined up to this.
This part.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Not the flange. Okay. Okay, so right there.
Yep. You knocked it over half an inch, but that's all right. It's all right.
It's not.
It's all right. I've done it a couple times. It's all right.
It's like 5 millimeters.
All right. Just start off and get that one nailed in.
Okay, that one. Are you
Yep.
sure? Because I can take it out. See? Right there. Okay. Right.
Why take it out?
Because it wasn't perfect.
It ain't gonna be perfect.
It's gonna be close to perfect. Right there.
All right.
Okay. Nope.
You nailed that flat now. Just nail it in.
wait. Okay. Right there.
There you go.
Okay.
Don't hit your fingers.
No. It's very close. Okay.
You gotta bring it. You gotta pinch that in some more.
Oh, got
Too
you.
much wobble.
There?
Yep.
There.
Watch fingers.
Well. It's harder than it looks. Okay, we're getting there.
Make sure you don't angle it so that the nail comes out under the wood.
Okay.
You want it to go in
Yeah,
straight, don't go
right.
down.
Right.
Okay.
Okay, well the bracket's a little jacked. One. That was one. I just want to make sure this is right.
That's it.
Okay.
You're a little crooked.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because the board's supposed to go up and down.
Right.
All right. That was pinched up a little bit.
So too close.
It's done now. You ain't getting those nails out.
Okay.
All right, you're using the wrong nails.
I got them out of the box.
Out of the box? Those
Yeah.
came out of the box?
Yeah.
The plastic box or the cardboard box?
Oh.
You're using the wrong nails.
Darn it.
Those aren't code. We have to take those out. You're using the wrong nails, baby. Well, no, not on all of them. You can tell by the head.
Okay. I don't think so. Those are all the right nail.
That's not.
How do you know on that one?
Because you can look at the head.
Oh, got you.
It's a different head.
That's the right one.
Yeah.
Okay, just those 2, 3.
All right, let's get the crowbar.
Okay. Darn it. I was doing so.
That's just a little whoops. No big deal. We can fix it.
One.
It's one. It's not your fault. You didn't know there were 2 different types of nails.
You did tell me to get the nails out.
I know, but you didn't know why I wanted different nails. 2 different sizes. So the wind is blowing and we just had a crazy rotation come through here and pick leaves up from the woods and carry it in a cone. They're all up there flying away. That was nuts. Well, I made a mistake. A mistake. I made another mistake. I measured everything I was gonna need for the joists for the back porch. And I bought exactly what I was going to need. And the first time I went out there to cut, I measured and started cutting without considering the fact that when I calculated how much wood I was going to need, I was going to cut from 2 different spaces on each board, which means I need an additional 6 boards, because if I had done it right the first time, I would have taken 70 inches out of one and 74 inches out of another, and it would have been fine. Basically what that means is these 6 boards are only going to give me 1 joist apiece instead of 2, which is what I had planned. So it is it's a little windy. Knocked the ladder over. Keeps taking the cover off of all the SIPS panels. I guess we can say it's gusty, but the deck is coming along. We're just keep on going. This is why the plastic doesn't last when we put it on. It hadn't blown away yet. Cross my fingers. Peeking over the mountain a little bit, came out from behind the clouds just to dapple the trees, give us a little tease before it goes. There's nothing you can do sometimes. get up here and we do what we can. It'll break in our favor if we keep on trying, and we know that.
Thanks for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and come back and see us again at Breakhard Orchard. We'll be here.
You don't trust me.
Don't think you could do it.
Really? Exactly. You don't trust me. Why? You don't think I could get the nail in?
Correct.
I think I could get the nail in.
Well, just we're doing the best we can.